If you want to learn how to edit in Audacity for beginners, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basic editing process step by step. So even if you've never opened Audacity before, you'll be able to import audio, make simple cuts, explore useful effects, and export your finished file at the end. Audacity is one of the best free tools for audio editing, and once you understand the basics, you can start cleaning up recordings, removing mistakes, and making your audio sound much more professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once it's open, the first thing you need to do is bring in the audio file you want to edit. At the top of the screen, click File, then click Import, and then click Audio. A file browser will appear, so find the audio file you want to work with, select it, and then click Open. Audacity will load the file into the project, and you'll see the waveform displayed across the timeline. This waveform is what you'll use to find sections of audio that need to be changed, removed, or improved. Now that your audio is imported, the next step is to make your first edit. Look for the Selection tool, which is the I-beam icon. Click that tool, then click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section you want to remove. This could be a mistake, a pause, a breath, or any part of the recording you don't want. Once the section is highlighted, you can simply press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it instantly. If you prefer to keep a copy of that section in case you want to paste it somewhere else later, you can click Edit, then Cut instead. Cut removes the audio and saves it to your clipboard, while Delete removes it right away without saving it. This is one of the most basic but important editing skills in Audacity because it helps you clean up your audio quickly and precisely. As you keep editing, you may notice that Audacity has several menus packed with useful tools. One of the most important is the Effect menu. When you click Effect, you'll find options like Amplify, Noise Reduction, and Fading. These tools are used to change how your audio sounds. For example, Amplify can make audio louder, Noise Reduction can help reduce background noise, and Fading effects can help your audio transition more smoothly at the beginning or end of a clip. You don't need to master every effect right away, but it's a good idea to click into the menu and experiment with the different settings so you can get a feel for what each one does. Another useful menu is the Analyze menu. When you click Analyze, you may find tools like Beat Finder or Silence Finder. These tools help Audacity detect specific patterns in your audio, which can be very helpful depending on the type of project you're working on. For example, silence finding tools can help you locate quiet sections faster, and other analysis tools can give you more insight into your audio file. The best way to learn these menus is to explore them carefully and try different settings on a test file before using them on your final recording. If you make a mistake while editing, don't worry, Audacity makes it easy to undo changes. Just press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, and your last action will be reversed. This is extremely helpful when you're learning because it lets you try things without fear of ruining your project. If something doesn't look or sound right, you can always undo and try again. That's one of the reasons Audacity is such a beginner-friendly editor. Once you're happy with your edits, the final step is to export your file. To do that, click File, then click Export Audio. After that, click Export to Computer. You'll then need to choose the format. Click Format and select MP3 files if you want a widely compatible audio file that works on most devices and platforms. After choosing the format, click Export. Audacity will then save your finished audio file to your computer, ready for upload, sharing, or publishing. And that's it. You've just learned the basic workflow for editing in Audacity as a beginner. You imported your audio, selected and removed mistakes, explored the Effect and Analyze menus, used Undo when needed, and exported the final file. Once you practice these steps a few times, you'll get much faster and more comfortable editing your own recordings. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.